Hey guys, thank you for joining us again, Car System Installation. Today we're going to show you a remote starter installed on an Audi Q7 2013. In this case we have installed the Viper two-way system. On the remote you can press the lock button, the vehicle will lock, then you have the start button, press once, the vehicle will receive the command. In this case we have set the system to have a small delay before it cranks. The reason is the ignition has to be turned on and a few more things just to make sure it won't have any issues with starting. The vehicle will be running for a set of time. In this case we have set it for 20 minutes, and the key takeover is fairly simple. Go into the vehicle, press unlock on the doors, get in, put the key to on position, and the vehicle can be driven away. Remote starter for Audi and other vehicles available at Car System Installation. Subscribe to our channel and we'll see you next time. Have a great day.